Pizo AI just launched, and if you're wondering if it's worth your time, stick around. I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this newly released AI software. Everything from how it works to its potential game-changing features. By the end of this video, you'll know whether Pizo AI is a tool worth incorporating into your digital marketing toolbox. First off, let me say that you can try Pizo AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. That's right, no strings attached. But before you dive in, let's get into what makes Pizo AI stand out and why you should care. So, Pizo AI's biggest selling point is how intuitive it is. You don't need to be a tech expert to make the most of it. It's designed for everyone, from marketers to small business owners to digital entrepreneurs. Pizo AI automates complex tasks like copywriting, content generation, and even market analysis. If you've ever struggled with time-consuming content creation, this could be a serious time saver for you. Another thing I love about Pizo AI is its seamless integration with popular tools. Whether you use WordPress, social media schedulers, or email platforms, Pizo AI can sync up effortlessly, saving you from the hassle of jumping between different apps. This is a huge advantage if you want to streamline your workflow and keep everything under one roof. Now, one of the key features that sets Pizo AI apart is its ability to generate hyper-targeted content. It uses machine learning to analyze data about your audience and creates personalized content based on that data. This means no more guesswork when it comes to writing copy that resonates. You'll have the power to speak directly to your audience's needs with AI-backed insights. But here's something I think you'll want to hear. Pizo AI doesn't just focus on automation. It gives you the flexibility to control and edit the content it generates. Unlike other AI tools that give you a generic output, Pizo AI allows you to refine and tweak your copy until it fits your brand voice. This combination of automation and customization is a real win for digital marketers. Let's talk about the price. Many AI software options can break the bank, but Pizo AI is surprisingly affordable considering the range of features it offers. Plus, if you're just getting started or don't have the budget for a full package, you can test it out for free with no risk just by clicking the link below. But you're probably wondering about its accuracy. Pizo AI pulls data from real-time sources, so it's always up to date with the latest trends and consumer behavior. This ensures that the content you're generating isn't just relevant, but timely as well. In a fast-paced digital landscape, this is a must. Lastly, Pizo AI has a learning curve like any new tool, but it's not steep. The interface is user-friendly, and there are plenty of resources available, from tutorials to a support team, to help you get the most out of the software. Even if you're not super tech-savvy, you'll find the tool pretty straightforward to use. So, if you're looking for a powerful, cost-effective AI tool to boost your marketing efforts and help you create high-quality targeted content, Pizo AI is definitely worth a try. As I mentioned, you can try Pizo AI for free using the first link in the description below. And if you're interested in exploring other AI tools that can elevate your business, I've got a list of recommended software you can check out, all backed by my own experience after testing thousands of AI platforms. Give Pizo AI a shot and see how it can transform the way you work. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to check out the links for other amazing AI tools you can start using today.